Hello friends, after a long gap I'm coming up with this video and I will make sure that I cover up for what I have not been doing for quite some while. So I'll be doing a first year remedy, and this remedy I still feel there are so many facets to this remedy that I feel still I am not thorough with it. And while I had to prepare this video, I was going through it since 2 days, and I was still not feeling that I am in a position to know this remedy completely. And that is what homeopathy is all about. It's like an ocean, and you just keep swimming and keep swimming and keep exploring, and you still feel that you have not reached the end. So Calcarea Carb is no less than an ocean. As I was going through, and I have been studying it since my first year, but every year something new comes up. Some case will come up and it will teach me some different aspect of Calcarea Carb. In any seminar of HHF I attend, and I learn something different about this remedy. So it has got so many tangents and so many facets that I felt that I should make a video out of it, and at least something that I have understood. If you apply, you may add on something more about it. So there was a child in my early practice, a small child of 6-7 years, and he was just so lazy and so dull. What do I tell you? He had pain in stomach. Okay, I asked, what happened, Akshay? Like, I have pain in stomach. I'm like, oh, is it paining now also? Because with this tone, I thought it's paining him. No, it's not paining now. I'm like, okay, it's not paining now, but then why are you troubled by it? I cannot dance because of this. Like, oh, you cannot dance. So I was like, itna so much, the tone is so dull. Does he really dance well? So mom is like, yes, he's very fond of dancing, and he loves to participate and this and that, and he practices a lot, and he just loves to get prize, and he loves to be in the center of the dance group. I'm like, okay, tell me something more. And then she was like, he's very obstinate. And so that time I was studying this rubric, obstinate children in inclined to grow fat. So I was trying to understand, what is this fat? I mean, fat is something sticky, something which increases your weight, something which adds more weightage to something. Okay, so I was like, okay, what is this inclined to grow fat now? So how the mother explained was that he wants something, and I cannot say no to him, and the more I say no to him, the more he will ask. So it is better, I feel, just to give it away. So I'm like, okay. So there is a difference between this inclined to grow fat and pertinacity, and as you attend HHF seminars, you know something more about a rubric which you have already applied, but something which was hidden and I had not understood. So Gupta sir had explained Calcarea Carb in last 3-4 years. In every seminar, he will tell something different, a unique facet, some small facet, and that will make a big picture for you. Okay, so you have to study for that. And so one seminar he explained about inclined to grow fat is a protective layer. Okay, and fat is the insecurities in you. Okay, so inclined to grow fat is that he needs more of that protective layer. He needs more. The little is not enough. So the more obstinate, the more he wants something of you, and the more he will cover up himself, and the more he will feel that I have it, I want it more. So that is how that inclined to grow fat, something maybe I'm not able to explain properly, but this is how I have understood that those people who are very greedy, who wants more and more, and then they feel that yes, I have it now, and So that gives them a sense of security and a push to their ego that yes, you have it, yes, I possess it. So it is not reasonable. Calcarea carb is single in mood insupportable. So I was seeing that the single remedy, I think it's added by Dr. Hahnemann. Just check once, because I've just written it, but I think it's by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. So I was like, why single Calcarea carb? Because mood insupportable is what? You cannot support the mood means what? Something that becomes unendurable or intolerable, that the person is complaining of something or asking for something, and it becomes intolerable to listen to that person again and again. How much ever you are explaining, it is not making a difference on his mind. He is just, you cannot justify to him that you have no money right now, you cannot buy the toy. He will just go on, and you are telling him that the reports are fine, you don't have anything, or there are positive changes in your reports, but the mood is insupportable. Your justifications are going to make no difference to him. So that's how Calcarea carb goes into light desire for, and he will seek for light. He will do all the reports. There was a lady, so I have given this on this basis to few people who have not made their mark in the world yet. In the mark in the world in the sense of making their own identities, who are still struggling to make identity. They are wanting to be like others, envy and hate, envy at qualities of others, magnetized desire to be. They want to make their mark, they want to succeed in life, okay, they want to have those qualities which other possess, and they are shining bright in their careers, but they are not able to do it, although they feel that I am capable, I have the qualification, and I have worked before this. Something like a professional who got married, and after getting married had to settle down at home, or practicing just for limited hours and not able to give their entire time to their practice or to their professions, but they have that eagerness when they see others. They feel that even I have to do it. So light desire, so that gives them some kind of pathology, delusion, sick being. So with that sick feeling, they undergo a lot of investigations. They want to find out that what's wrong with me, why I'm not able to do. I feel that thing is there inside me, my stomach keeps paining, my something keeps paining, I have a lot of weakness, something must be wrong. And that fear starts creeping in, and you see the rubrics of fear in Calcarea. Innumerable means I have jotted down so many, but innumerable. Why? Because Calcarea is not a confident person, and Calcarea, as we have read in our Materia Medicas, in many Materia Medicas, and quite a number of times, that it's the oyster shell which is a protective layer and all that. So okay, ailments from excessive parental protection, how parents have taken care of him, pampered the child a lot. So that's how they come up in life, and then when they have to do things on their own, make their mark on their own, they are not able to achieve what they wanted to in life, and especially they didn't have any target for themselves, but then looking at others, they get this feeling that even I should do it. So when that eagerness comes, so then light desire, they search for the answers, that why they are not able to do it, or why this problem has come up in me. And then when they don't get the answers, they go into light desire deliriously. Okay, they are just wanting to find out more and more, and they are not settled completely. And when they don't get the answers, the fear just strikes more. Fear is so much, what to tell you. I have jotted down so many rubrics of fear. So this anxiety, fear, and anguish with oppression, delusion, abyss, fear of falling down in abyss as they stand close to it, others will fall down in abyss. So abyss is what? Na? It's a deep under the ground, there's a hole and you don't know where the end is, and you're just going to fall and fall, and you don't know where you're going to end and how much deep are you going to go. So a delusion about to sink into annihilation means complete destruction of yourself, your identity. You are not going to be known as a homeopath, you're not going to be known as a dietitian. What are you going to be known as for? They want to stand for something that they are, but they're not able to. So this is delusion, images, phantom sees on closing eyes in bed. So that is why, it is there in a few rubrics of bed, where they want to come out of bed, they have aversion to bed. So bed is their comfort zone. If they come out of it, then only they can achieve something, or they can make their identities. So they always compare themselves with others, and then they feel bad about themselves. So this is how they want to bring about the change in their life. And so light desire deliriously, for that they will do innumerable investigations, and with the best of doctors, with the best of technicians, and with the best of cost for it. And the cost for it would be in thousands. They have spent thousands of rupees on MRI, CT scan, USG, antibody sensitivity, and autoimmune diseases to find out why they have this problem, but they will not get answers, and only a homeopath can give them the answer. And for this they will do everything. They will go to this doctor also, that doctor also, this medical store also. Calcarea Carb is in the rubric egotism. Okay, along with that, it is there in charlatan. Charlatan is over smart. Okay, the person, Calcarea Carb will be those people who maximum of the times they go to the medical store and take medicine. Instead of going to the doctor, they will first find out their own ways. They will do everything that can be done on YouTube. They will search on Google. They will search that for this headache, what should be taken, for this stomach ache, what can give me relief. So they will do all sorts of kadas and everything. And then they will go to the medical store. They'll ask the medical store that which is the costliest medicine you have for this. They will purchase that also. So, they will do everything. And when they are still not able to, fear of darkness aggravate, so all that is not giving them answer, then a homeopath comes into picture. Okay, and then they will tell them that I have done this also, I have done this. Delusion wealth is what, they have that much of money, right? That's why they are spending so much on investigations and doctors. They've done everything. So when they come to the homeopath, you can see that delusion wealth, and they want to, it's Calcarea Carb is in the rubric exclusive too. Now what is the exclusivity of Calcarea? Is not that they are exclusive, but they want to be exclusive, and their struggle to be exclusive is through this journey of light desire deliriously. Okay, now there is something much more about Calcarea which I will take up in the next video. So just like, comment and subscribe to this video, and see my next video. I have got something very interesting to share about it. Thank you.